Today we're going to be discussing passwords, Windows Credential Manager. Windows comes pre-installed with an application that stores your username and password for common websites that you visit. This is Windows Credential Manager. Now, how can this be as a benefit? Well, it's a major benefit in the fact of you don't have to type in your username and password to every website that you commonly visit. But a huge disadvantage is that your passwords are stored locally on your computer. Let's go ahead and take a look at Windows Credential Manager. I'm going to click Start and type CRED. And I'm going to select Credential Manager. Now here, as you can see, we have two websites, the modified date, and we see we can restore the vault, back up the vault. We have different options here. Now, in our previous videos, we covered visiting toysrus.com. Now, when I click Save in that video for Google Chrome, that also saves my credentials locally. So let's go ahead and click the drop down for Toys R Us. We see we have the website, the username, even the password stored here on the system. I can click Edit, go in and remove it, or I can remove these credentials altogether. Matter of fact, let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to click Remove from the vault. It's going to give you a warning saying that this is going to be permanently deleted. Are you sure? I'm going to select Yes. Now, how could this be a great threat to you? Well, as stated before, your local passwords are being stored here on your computer. There are applications that can decipher this and spit out your password in plain text. Another common problem that Windows Credential Manager has is in the corporate environment. Sometimes you'll experience users getting locked out from various locations or just repeated lockouts. Someone may call and say, well, my PC, every time I come in at 10 a.m. over the past 3-4 days, my account has been getting locked out. Usually, in most situations, Windows Credential Manager is the first application you want to check. Because in certain applications in the corporate environment, such as Microsoft Outlook, your authentication continues to make attempts in the background. So it's good to remove the different credentials that you see stored on the system. That way you will have a more clean slate to troubleshoot why the user is getting locked out. Is it from the PC? Is it from his phone? Does he have Outlook on a tablet? That way you can start to narrow down where particularly the user may be getting locked out from. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you again in the next one.